Giddy up. You know what's nice? Mine's actually staying in that mode. I don't have to do my traction control. It's learned. Let's go, baby. Yeah, and go lay down in the cabin with the air conditioning. Go for it. You are going to make it out of here.
I got a wagon for kids.
Yeah, I forgot to do that myself. I probably should. Yeah, let's stop at the bathroom. Because I was thinking about that, and I was thinking about it, but it didn't register. And now it's registering. Now that Leo, it was like that other guy was saying something. And it's all muddy and rutted. I don't have heat stroke. Yeah. But are you enjoying this? Okay, good. Yeah, so that's I'm always looking out after iron because I don't want to like slam a sharp rock and like ding my rim and get a pinch flat or whatever that's called. He's got a full upgrade suspension. It's the Rally. It's the Rally. So it cost them like $3 grand. Right now I'm just strategically trying to hit the smooth parts. From dropping your bike? Oh, just bouncing around, yeah. I just want to sit down for a minute. First and second. Whatever gear I need to be in to stay behind Leo. At least we're not fighting deep sand. Doesn't do much for the back. Yep. Yeah, and you get a big old thunderstorm, rain, and it washes your bike. So your badge is gone just before you get home. You should have seen what my bike looked like. So Leo, what you're doing is the equivalent of me going with a bunch of other riders and a whole bunch of deep sand. It's like, you can do it. You know, it's a big fear because I know how brutal it is. So you've conquered. You've conquered. Love is all you need. You're good. Just keep. Yep. Hold on. All right. Let's get yours first. Go. We need you, Dan.
Really?
Yeah, I don't have the strength in this arm.
Okay. Okay. All right, give me a second. Okay.
It just popped off your thing. Look at them, two of them, side by side. Yeah, there's no way we're lifting this sucker. Last thing I want to do is pop this tendon. Yeah, I saw you going wide here. And I was like, stop, back up, you know, but it's too late. We're already, you know, I was committed too. Look at the man. Look at the man. Yeah, you just pull on this right here. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. We good?
You got it.
All right.
Okay, I'll see that rock again.
Yeah. Do I need to move out of the way, or we're ready?
Yeah. There's no way.
Look at that berm right there. You take that, you come down, you just slam into that thing, right down the river there, just keep on going. My boy would do it. He'd take that little mound right there and jump and land at the top of that. He just did a whole thing on how to wheelie a DCT, so I'm going to go watch that. Yes, how to wheelie a DCT. I got a phone. Is it a camera? It's come off before. I just that it just I can get it. Unfortunately, I don't have the key for this. It's in here. Okay, we'll delete that footage. Yeah. I'm just standing up the whole way. Oh yeah, Africa Twin has one of the longest adventure bike suspension. That's why it's so tall. It's like 11 inches or something like that. Yeah.
We're not seeing a lot of them here, right?
Nope. Well, we have a tiger.
Tigers here. Tigers here to represent.
That's right. Tigers representing, along with Cyborg.
Well, it's only half cyborg now.
Yeah. Did you get any scraped up? Ouch. I just went off the jump. I wasn't ready. Off the drop. No, I just got bit a little bit.
I don't want to like tell you.
No, you don't, we're good.
Anything other than a car coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm very tight turn.
Because it can be distracting sometimes.
Yeah, because I don't know where you are when you say exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I'm right behind Leo, I can tell him, hey, this turn's going to be sharp or not, because I see it on my Garmin. And he knows that I'm talking about the turn he's getting ready to go into. That's why sometimes I just wanted to tell Kelly to, he's so far up ahead and he's telling us stuff, it's like, okay, that's not relevant to where I'm at. You should. Take it easy on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. You're my inspiration. Now I'm following Leo again. Yeah. 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 Or smooth, gravelly rock.
Yeah, first gear is the right choice.
Yeah, just keep going. Good job, good job. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
So Murphy's is like that, but a little steeper, and it's a little bit of winding here and there, but nothing too. But it's like that. That's the easy section of Murphy, what we just did. I think that over there is Schaefer, if I'm not mistaken. That back on the far straight ahead. Yeah, I'm gonna go up a little ways too. My lap sign ain't working because it says 36. We've done more than the 36. It must have stopped. Leave the way, Hulk. All right, so we're going up Schaefer. You'll feel it. I would say between the turns, yes. He's like, I'll get a picture of him because you're like, it's going straight to the wall.